Looking to fix Instagram CSRF token? Well, you are in the right place because for today, I'm going to give you 3 solutions on how to fix this one. Okay, but before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, guys, for the quick note, the first solution is going to be for the Android users because you're going to go to Play Store, then search for Android Web View, and if the program needs to be updated, please update it. And if it's not installed yet, please install it there. Then check if the issue has been solved. Okay, so that's for Android user. So if you're using an iPhone, you can go to App Store, and it's for the second solution. It's for both App Store and Play Store. Okay, go to App Store. In my case, I'm using iPhone. I'll go to App Store and then search for Instagram, uninstall it and reinstall it again and check if the issue is solved or not. Okay, so the third solution is to go to your phone settings, scroll down and search for IG. Okay, so for the Android, you can go and scroll down and go to apps, then look for manage apps section, then search for Instagram and delete Instagram's cache and data. So for this one, I'm going to delete the Instagram's cache and data. By the way, you can find it on your iPhone's general settings and on your iPhone storage. That's the end of this video. I hope this was helpful. If you know other solutions, then you can comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!